So if we take an example, 192.168.178.1, how do we know that which class does this address belong? Whenever we learn in a college or in our theory, you will always see 192.168.1.1. This kind of initially, people give this in their computer using those network settings and adapter changing, etc. So how do you know that this is a class C address? Because class C address, the first octet starts from 192, ends with 223, both are inclusive. So do this 192 belong to 192 and 223? Yes, it is there. 192 is already there, the first octet. So it is the C address, because the first octet defines which class it is. So the first, second and third, these three octets, they are corresponding to, or they are representing the network. They are representing what? The network. Which network we are talking about, or which you can say subnet you are talking about. And this .1 or 1 is actually the IP, or not the IP, basically it is representing the host, because network address and host address combined is called the IP. How do we know that certain device is on the same network or not? If I write 192.168.178.5. So the first three octets, 192, 168, 178 and 5, all these three are belonging to the same network, because the first three octets, they are matching. But the other network, if I say 192.168.179.5, so just have to match the first three octet. So this is matching, this is matching, but this is not matching. 179 is not equal to 178. So all these three addresses which I told you, they are class C addresses, but the first two addresses belong to the same network, but the third one is not belonging to the same network.